This 2023 East to West Alta 2210 MBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Katy, Texas, 77494 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Katy. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used east to west is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.